Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center surface burner base on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Lift off both grates. Remove the burner cap. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the surface burner cover. Lift off the cover, then use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws securing the base. Lift the old base straight up to remove. Install the new center burner base by aligning the surface igniter with the hole in the base. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Align the cover and secure it with the screws. Replace the burner cap and reposition both grates. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.